This is one of my husband's favorite shirt, and that is why shirt collar worn so badly. When I showed him this, he asked, "Where have I found same new shirt?" And then I have turned shirt around, and he said, "This is ingenious. You are magic woman." This shirt fabric is good and strong everywhere, all around. Here on the bottom and the under sleeves, the material is good and strong, no damages and no faded colors. It's good everywhere. And why does shirt need some repair to be made? Because of color. Look at this color. It has pretty badly worn fabric in the folding line. And when I fold it like this, damages are pretty noticeable. And definitely my husband cannot use this shirt anymore. But I will give this shirt second life. How I can do this? It's actually not that hard to do. I will just take apart from shirt this collar, open this seam right here, like this, very simple with a seam ripper. When you use seam ripper, you have to put this ball end inside the seam. If you will put inside this sharp pointed end, the fabric could be damaged and your seam ripper will get stuck and will not move. But it's very easy to do this with a ball point end of ripper. See, it's open with no effort at all. And now this side. Done fast and easy. I've separated collar from shirt and cleaned the old threads. Now, this is damaged side, and I will just turn collar opposite way. And now this will be right side. And I like iron this collar while it's free of shirt. I will insert collar inside between collar stand fabrics and pin it. And now I just have to make seam here. Great! All is done. That was fast, isn't it? The collar looks like new again, and shirt is good to live a second life. I'm sure my husband will be thrilled to have it back.